It's a fundamental question when you're looking to streamline your sales commissions. How well does it play with my existing tech stack? We're talking about Spiff integrations, and the answer is seamlessly. Spiff's core function is to pull sales data, calculate commissions, and provide real-time visibility. To do this, it needs to connect with your most critical business applications, and it does. The first and most important integration is with CRM systems. Because sales activity drives commissions, Spiff has deep, native connections to industry leaders like Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales CRM. This allows for real-time data sync, meaning sales reps see their earned commission the moment a deal is closed in the CRM. Beyond the CRM, commission data needs to flow in and out of your financial and operational tools. Spiff supports integrations with major ERP, enterprise resource planning, and HRIS, human resources information systems, platforms. Think of systems like Oracle NetSuite and Workday. This is critical for everything from payroll processing to expense accruals and compliance reporting like ASC 606. But what if you use a less common or highly specialized tool? Spiff is built with flexibility. They offer a comprehensive API for custom connections, and it also leverages integration and automation platforms like WorkAuto to connect with a library of hundreds of other applications. This ensures that no matter where your key revenue data lives, whether it's in a billing platform, a data warehouse, or even a simple CSV, Spiff can pull it in, process it, and push the results where they need to go. In short, Spiff provides native connectors for the big names, plus a highly flexible architecture to connect everything else, ensuring your commission data is accurate, automated, and always up to date.